What's up guys, we are back with the most epic news. Samsung has done a recent interview with XEETECHCARE that has revealed a lot of interesting things, including the confirmation that Xiaomi is indeed their scapegoat. Yes, we'll explain that later. Plus, Samsung is finally unfollowing market's most overused strategy. The Nothing Phone 1 came out recently, which is a brand new player in the game. Definitely one of the hottest phones on the market right now. It's got a cool design, cool display, great performance, great price, but one thing it doesn't have is useless cameras. Nothing proved that you don't need a macro or depth sensor. They are as useless as Harry Maguire in Manchester United. Having more cameras now is being seen in a negative light. It's something that Chinese brands and even Samsung themselves do all the time. Samsung just confirmed to XEETECHCARE that they will not be using quad camera setup anymore. Instead, the mid-ranges next year in 2023, namely A54, A74, and A34 will be using a triple camera setup. Samsung is indeed dropping the depth camera sensor. They said to XEETECHCARE, and I quote, "Regarding the Galaxy A series, wide angle, ultra wide angle, and telephoto, we will continue to compete in this area as we strengthen our capabilities. These are indeed the only cameras we need for the best performance." I find this very interesting that they made this decision now after the Nothing Phone's release. I mean, I don't know if it had any impact on Samsung's decision or not, but clearly Nothing made this idea popular, the truth that useless cameras need to go. Also, within this interview, Samsung has confirmed that Xiaomi, Vivo, Motorola are indeed their scapegoat. Yes, XEETECHCARE actually asked Samsung that why Chinese brands are adopting 100 megapixels or 200 megapixel sensors before Samsung's own phone. To that, Samsung confirmed that they don't care and don't think that it's important for them to be the first to apply a 200 megapixel sensor on their own phone. They are fine with giving this to other brands. They monitor how these sensors perform in Chinese phones and then they decide if they want to use this on their own phone or not. They mentioned that this is their some sort of optimization concept, aka using Chinese brands as a scapegoat. We used to joke about this on the channel, but now we know that this is indeed Samsung's strategy. Considering they are testing out the 200 megapixel sensor, if things go very well according to Samsung's plan, we could see that on the S23 Ultra. Lastly, the official unpacked teaser trailer is here, showing off both Flip 4 and the Fold 4. In case you guys don't know, these devices are coming very soon on August 10th, along with other exciting Samsung products, so stay tuned for all the coverage. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe and let me know what you think about Samsung finally letting go of all the useless camera sensors on their Galaxy A series. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.